4-channel system power mixer, LCD display, 4 balanced 3-pin microphone inputs. 4 1/4 high-impedance inputs, aux, 3.5 mm, input connector jack 1/4 headphone jack. Connect iPod, MP3 players, iPhone, smartphones, tablets, etc. 1/4 send, return jacks. Master System EFFX EQ Control 5-band graphic equalizer, independent channel controls. RCA, L, R, record jacks, USB flash SD card readers, size, 15.75 by 12.01 by 7.87. The Pyle PMX402M is your PA mixer and amplifier solution. This 400-watt, 4-channel system provides total sound control and is perfect for controlling the audio at social gatherings. Connect it all. Features include 4 balanced microphone inputs, 4 high-impedance microphone, line inputs, audio line input for connecting smartphones or MP3 players, and a pair of RCA audio jacks for connecting additional devices like CD players or tape recorders. Additional features include independent channel volume adjustable, equalizer controls, master effects control with echo, delay, 5-band graphic equalizer, LCD digital display screen and more. Take control of the sound and the crowd with the Pyle PMX402M. Top reviews from the United States. Great sound and power. I use it at church. It sound great. Put in 2 guitar 2 microphone and have ambient music with the USB.it is great. The unit may be small but it delivers. Don't be fooled with the power output that is in the specs. This little unit is perfect for me.